Kasi I think dahil nakaupo sa bench yung player nila na wala sa listahan.
Si Cruz.
Start of the third quarter.
Or maybe late lang yung call.
Hindi. Kinlarify lang kung bakit tinawagan ng technical yung kanina.
Okay. Late lang yung call. Diba?
Alright, third quarter is officially here. Laban ng Perpetual kontra San Sebastian. And Goho Cruz, only his 5th attempt today, will miss fire right there. San Sebastian runs the other way. Escobedo, a lot of contact up top. But the referees are letting them play. Ito na si Abes. No. Takbuhan tayo. It is a foot race so far. Orgo collects and completes the steal.
Alam mo yung meron kang are na napakabilis, pero yung kalaban may Orgo din.
Sumasabay.
Speaking of mabilis, Orgo nakakakuha ng sundot galing sa likod. Are playing the passing lanes to disrupt the passes of Perpetual.
15 seconds on the shot
Both
clock.
teams very feisty here in the third quarter. Talagang looking to push yung magkabilang panig natin. Orgo. This is gonna be a foul on Paeng Are.
And napakaganda nun para kay Pagaran, seeing that mismatch and maximizing it right away by sealing Are.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Trigger man is Sean. Goho Cruz. May bantay. Ilalapit. Ilalabas. Abes the pull-up J. Orgo saves it to the wrong man. Here comes Are. Are. Gaba. Wala. Nunez with the rebound. And Perpetual will opt to slow it down. Goho Cruz. Back to Orgo here on top. Orgo going to Nunez on the roll. Just unable to finish.
Ang ganda sana nung pasa na yun and nung roll na yun, hindi lang na-finish ng...
Nothing but net for Raymart Escobedo.
Yan yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina na kailangan mas maging aggressive pa sila sa kanilang mga shots to start the run for their team.
Pagaran misfires from the corner. This is the closest the Stags have been
Heat check.
in a while.
Heat check.
Raymart, spray. Velasco, inside. Velasco. Doesn't work. Perpetual gets the board now. Let's use this opportunity. Hold on. Tignan natin muna diskarte ng Perpetual. Abes. Masyado malakas. Loose ball. It's still rolling. Velasco gets it. Ito na si Rizo. Paeng says, hold on, let me set this one up. Are has Orgo right in front of him. Paeng on the drive. And San Sebastian is within one. Let's use this opportunity to go courtside with Pagaran scores with Mikay Mindanao this time. Mikay, go ahead.
Stick to the game plan ito ang paulit-ulit na reminder ni Coach Arvin Bonleon sa kanyang team. Sabi pa nga niya na dahil dito, nahihirapan silang bumalik on third defense. Also, Martin, sabi nga sa dugout na kailangan nilang mag-communicate and i-recognize yung plays ng kanilang opponents. Nagkakaroon din ng lapses sa kanilang mga plays. And ngayong aware na ang team of what they should do, titignan natin if the Stags would be able to make a comeback in this second half. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Prince.
Well, Mikay, good signs for San Sebastian as they are able to have a good start in the third. Pero inuunti-unti sila dito ni Chris Pagaran.
And again, pinag-usapan natin kanina kung gaano nagsa-struggle si Pagaran during the first half. But you know, this third quarter, he's stepping up and he's starting to make those baskets na kinakailangan ng Perpetual to start another run.
Started the game 2 out of 6. Has made his last 2. At siya rin yung nakakuha ng rebound doon. Naagaw ni Paeng. Are, fakes. Are is trapped. Are, pinilit. Wala. Nowhere to go that time. Itong si Paeng Are. Goho Cruz will spray. Pagaran for 3. Oh, heads up play by the rookie Marco Cruz to bounce it off his opponent. Timeout muna tayo. Tinawag ni Coach Olsen Rosella.
Mapua was also in the finals. Season 97.
Oh, good defense by Justin Sanchez.
And that's
Being
what
that
he can
help
do.
guy. Yeah, exactly. High school pa lang, yan ang laro niyan.
What a pass. Adam Liwag inside. With a flex afterwards. And one for Adam Liwag. But let's credit the dish of a charging Justin Sanchez. Look at that. Tap, no look to Adam Liwag.
Balik sa ating laban. NCAA Season 100 on Heart of Asia. Ito yun. That was a long two, apparently, by Ray Mart, who stepped on the line, and then Paengare taking it straight to the cup. But the captain of Perpetual started to go to work. Chris Pagaran has gotten his rhythm back here in the third quarter.
If si Paeng Are at saka si Raymart Escobedo, yung dalawang leader ng San Sebastian, trying to lead their team by making those kinds of tough shots. Ito namang si Pagaran, binabawi lang yung mga mintis ng first half. Sabi niya kay MGC, ako muna, relax ka lang dyan. Mamaya bibigay ko na lang ulit sa'yo kapag uminit ka na.
14
Sabi
seconds
niya,
shot clock.
pahinga ka konti, bata.
Pahinga ka konti, bata.
Chill ka muna. Sean Orgo will be the trigger guy. Elzano is back in the ball game. Alley-oop!
Ang ganda ng play! Ang ganda ng play! They were trying to deny the guys facing the ball, the big man underneath, the guy flashing up high, and then the corner guy leaving the back pick open for the alley-oop.
First guy in double figures. Chris Pagaran with 10. Aliwat had time to take that. Misfires. Sean Orgo now. Elzano, high-low.
Foul, foul.
And that's been the game of Angelo Elzano as we take a look at this inbound. Orgo connecting with Chris Pagaran for another alley-oop.
You know, sa mga hindi nakakapansin itong si Angelo Elzano, meron na siyang 3 assists. And kung nanonood kayo kanina sa first half natin, makikita niyo talaga kung paano niya hinahanap yung mga teammates niya with those quick passes, yung mga alley-oop passes na yan.
Oh, dito, siya yung titira. That's off to the right that time.
That was a good shot. Pero I think kung pinasa niya yun, nasisulit yun.
Yeah, he's been showing us the unselfishness and some pinpoint passing.
But you know, yan yung hinahanap natin para sa mga stretch 4. Yan yung mga klase ng laro na hinahanap mo na bagay talaga sa triangle offense.
That's right. 40-32 after the hot start of San Sebastian. Ito na. Perpetual is able to restore their biggest lead, or second biggest lead, that is. Pascual, yun na naman. Misfiring this time. Moral steps into it. Off the front rim.
Out of bounds, Golden State basketball substitution.
So, Eman Pizarro, balik sa ating
Pizarro
laban,
coming in
replacing
for
Jericho Nunez. Pizarro in the first half had 4 points and 3 boards. Solid on both ends as well.
Mabanggitin ko lang ulit kung gaano kasisipag tong big man ng Perpetual. Sila yung buong game nitong buong first half at kalahati ng third. Wala akong nakita sa kanilang mga bigs na nagreklamo na hindi nakakahawak ng bola. Pero if there's something na nag-stand out talaga sa kanila is them running up and down the lane both on offense and on defense, making sure na may makuha silang mga defender and kunin yung mga offensive rebound for them.
Maliwat is on the move. Ganong pasat. Baroga though. Ran out of space. Maliwat. Back to Baroga. Pascual will pull the trigger. That was the defense of Elzano. Bothering Pascual. Ito na si Sean. Pizarro. High low this time. Helsano. Wala. Siya naman yung nakapwesto sa ilalim. Maliwat. Approaching 3 minutes left in the third. Play is broken up. Maliwat attacks, unable to score. Baroga gets it. Baroga, agaw. Goho Cruz starts to break. Perpetual. Goho Cruz forcing the issue and he'll earn a trip to the free throw line.
Again, isa sa mga reason kung bakit nakaka-stay dito sa game na to itong San Sebastian is because of their offensive rebounds. And babalikan lang ulit natin yung paulit-ulit natin sinasabi kanina ba na hindi lang nila ma-shoot yung malalapit na tira.
That's right. 8-point lead maintained by Perpetual. Time out muna tayo.
Just off to the side. 7-point lead for Mapua. Inot. Still nothing for Inot. And here comes Clint Escamis under a minute to go. Escamis zooming straight to the cup.
Too easy for the MVP.
Second takeaway for Tony Inot. Cometa steps into a three. Left it short, Mangubat comes away with it. Forward pass. Escamis is ahead of the pack.
Medyo kumindat pa para dito kay Clint Escamis. Bigyan ng chance makagrad.
To the coverage, Cuticam muna tayo. Cuticam of the Cuties. Ito mula sa Golden Stags cheerleading squad.
Yan. Yan, smile mo ate. Yes!
Yan. Dito masusubukan yung eagle eyes ng broadcast team natin. Oh, this one from the Perpetual side, I think. Yeah, they're there. Oh, diba? Bumiyahe pa yan mula Las Piñas.
Para suportahan ang
Suportahan.
kanilang team. Alam mo, yan yung nakakatuwa sa NCAA at saka sa mga collegiate leagues.
Yeah.
Yung tuwing naglalaro kayo, makikita nyo talaga na yung support ng alma mater ninyo. And syempre yung mga alumni na
Yan,
dati rin talagang sumusuporta and all out talaga sila pagdating ng games. Sarap sa pakiramdam.
Yun ang pinaka-passionate sa laban. Yung mga alumni talaga na lalo na kasi may comparison niya nung nandun sila, kunwari hindi masyado nananalo, tapos ngayon nananalo na yung school nila. Ngayon lang nila may experience yung competitive sila, di ba?
Naalala mo yung pinag-usapan natin noong nakaraan tungkol sa CSB, nung umpisa pa lang ng game na parang wala pang nanonood eh. Pero nung medyo padating na sa dulo, makikita mo dumadami na rin yung mga taga-CSB.
That's right. Why not? Nasa itaas yung kanilang team ngayon. Goho Cruz knocking down 2 free throws. He'll take a rest first. Goho Cruz with 7 points. Tail end of the third quarter rather.
Yes, Perpetual playing 1-3-1 defense.
Escobedo misses. Poral, that was off his foot. Gabat all the way. Still on the score for San Sebastian. They swing it to the right side with Montemayor.
2-3 naman. 2-3 naman para sa
2-3.
San Sebastian.
Manuel Escobedo tried to snatch it from the blind side. Montemayor floats it up. Masyado lang malakas.
Actually, more of a man zone yung tinatakbo ng San Sebastian dito eh.
And next, Gabat gets the better of the rookie Axel Manuel that time. Ito. Error on the dribble for Boral. Costly mistake as it ended up with 2 points for Rex Gabat. Pero si Gabat, this is where he is at his best. Very gritty player itong si Rex eh.
And isa rin siya sa mga nagsa-struggle na players natin the past few games. Can't seem to have a break.
Yeah. Magkapatid yan itong si Rex tsaka si Ralph or Polo Gabat. 1 out of 2 on that trip, but the lead is down to 7. Let's see how Perpetual will counter without their main guys in Pagaran and Goho Cruz. Si Poral ang humihingi. Nakarating na sa kanya. That was poked by Baroga.
Ball possession stays in Otters. Shot ball at 8 seconds.
Yun yung mga gusto mong makita ng klase ng step up, katulad nito ni Boral na hinihingi niya yung bola pero hindi binigay sa kanya. He made sure na alam ng teammate niya na dapat ibigay mo.
Oh, difficult shot. Rattles home for JP Boral. He now has 8 points in the game.
That was a tough shot to make.
Yeah. Escobedo. Wala. Manuel scans the floor. They go to JP. Boral against multiple defenders. Lefty finish for Angelo Helsano.
Ang ganda. Napakaganda ng spin bago ma-finish nito ni Gelsano. Alam mo, bago niya natanggap yung pasa na yun, I was about to say na quality minutes for him.
Definitely.
Playing really, really well.
11-point lead. Biggest of Perpetual so far. Baroga. And Helsano collects another rebound. Panglima ni Angelo Helsano. That's a bump. And the foul on Gabat. How about this? Ito muna, Boral finding Helsano, who moved away from the D and scooped it with his left hand. How about the twirl right here? Tapos diretso na.
Napakaganda ng move na yun. Pinag-usapan lang natin kanina, Martin, kung paano magsi-step up ang players ng Perpetual habang wala ang kanilang mga main man. And I think they're doing really, really well.
Maliwats connects from long distance.
And I think nabati ko ata.
Kinailangan niya ng San Sebastian kasi namagana yung abante ng Perpetual kanina. Montemayor. Oh, down the middle. Helsano. This guy is having a solid game for Perpetual. 8 points with 5 boards and 3 assists. And more importantly, they reestablish their 10-point lead, 48-38. When we return, we'll write the final chapter of this game. Magbabalik po ang NCAA Season 100 on Heart of Asia. Martin Javier with Coach Hammer, Martin Antonio.